All right, folks, there's a 320i. This is a 2017. We are going to reset the oil life light. Okay, so to do that, we're gonna make sure you have your key fob next to you. Gonna hit the start button. Just turn on the lights. Don't step on the brakes, and it should light up. See, service oil soon. There's a little button on the side here. You're gonna hold that button. Sometimes it take a little longer. Just gotta hold it. You guys are counting the seconds. Sometimes it goes into it right away. Sometimes it'll take a little bit longer. Guess it just wants to make sure that you didn't hit it by mistake. So I'm gonna let go of it. I'm gonna hold it again. And this should take you into that service light. There it is, right there. It says reset possible. You can hit that button again. Oh, you know what? If you hit the button, you can cycle through all the stuff that you can reset that you have done recently. Brake fluid, front pads when you do the brake pads, stuff like that. So reset possible. We're gonna hold it again. It asks you if you want to reset it. You're gonna hold it again. And it's reset in progress. See it? That's it. Reset is successful. All right, so that's the way it is. Sometimes you just gotta hold that button a little longer, maybe let go of it, do it again, but that's basically where you're gonna reset it. And there's a lot of other things that you can reset too after you change it. All right, you saw it there. Brake fluid, front pads, rear pads. All right, that's the way it goes. Thanks for watching. Ciao.